Even though you can find panettone in every grocery store where I live, I still love making my own. I soak some raisins in brandy for at least 2 hours because I like them nice and boozy. And while a lot of traditional recipes require 2 or 3 days, this one will be ready today. It's like making a cake. You cream together butter, sugar, and eggs. I add vanilla, almond, and orange extract to my dough. And it's one of those doughs that you don't want to add too much flour or the end result will be dry. For the full recipe, just head over to my website and type panettone in the search bar. You should find it no problem. You can put anything from nuts to chocolate chips in the dough, but I like using my soaked raisins, some candied orange peel, and the tutti frutti from the video before this. And because I don't have panettone molds, I just use a regular brown paper lunch bag. It works great. And even though I should be using a 7 or 8 inch pan, I like using a 6 incher because it turns out nice and tall. When it's done, it'll be a beautiful golden brown and your house will smell like an Italian bakery at Christmas.